The first written words in human history weren't poetry. They weren't prayers. They were receipts. And understanding why reveals the true origin of every dollar in your pocket.
Economics textbooks sell you a myth about swapping chickens for shoes, but anthropologists found zero evidence of this pure barter. The real engine of early history was credit. In Sumer, 3000 BC, verbal promises were worthless. You needed a witness that wouldn't die or lie. Enter the bulla, a hollow clay ball holding tokens representing debt. Sealed, immutable, unhackable. But breaking the ball to check the balance was a disaster, so administrators pressed the tokens onto the wet clay outside before sealing it. This was the spark. The physical object became a symbol. The three-dimensional token became a two-dimensional sign. This wasn't just accounting. It was a cognitive leap. Once you realized a mark in clay equaled a sheep, you didn't need the sheep. You didn't even need the token. You just needed the mark. Proto-cuneiform was born, the world's first spreadsheet. The volume of tablets is staggering, hundreds of thousands of them. They track daily rations, land sales, and loans of silver. This wasn't a side project. It was the central nervous system of the state. We even found evidence of periodic debt forgiveness, proving that too big to fail is an ancient concept. Writing didn't start as art. It started as a ledger. We didn't invent text to express our souls. We invented it to track our obligations. Civilization is literally built on the ledger. Whether it's clay or code, the hunger for verified truth remains identical. So, next time you open Excel, remember, you are using the exact technology that dragged humanity out of the Stone Age. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. We'll catch you on the next one.